Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So in my world, January, February, the start of the year, those are my big months for organizing, decluttering, redecorating, all the things just to kind of get my life in order, get my house in order. So I have a list of projects that I'm working on that I'll be doing over the next few days, and I thought, why don't I just film myself so you guys can see what I'm up to, get some ideas, and also maybe even give you some motivation. Today's video is sponsored by LG. This is actually my last video working with them, so huge thank you for all the support they've shown my channel. With all of that said, let's go ahead and get started with the first project. So I like to do a full couch refresh every season, so starting the year off with the fresh couch. Pro tip, if you have toddlers or young kids in the house, have an affordable couch so you don't have to constantly be worrying about it. At the very minimum, have washable slip covers because our couch gets so filthy. It's one less thing I have to worry about, and I like to do a full couch refresh at least every season, definitely at the start of the new year. New year, fresh couch. If you watch my channel, you probably know this couch well by now. This is my lovely IKEA couch who has served me very well for 6 years. One day maybe we'll get a nicer couch, but that day is not coming anytime soon. I like it a lot, and if I feel crazy, I could change out the color of the slip covers if I want. Then once everything is off the couch, now we could kind of really clean around this area. So I move the couch, reveal all of the fun stuff underneath. I mean, the crumbs here and toys and junk. I take my LG A9 cord-free vacuum and I vacuum all around the couch underneath, on top. Then I change the attachment out so I could really get in every corner, nook and cranny. And oh my, the gems I found over here. Now we're moving into my LG Ultimate Laundry Room to wash some items that I wanted to clean and freshen up for the new year, starting with my couch cushions. With a toddler in the house, these get absolutely filthy, so I like to wash them seasonally, and these are actually machine washer safe on a delicate cold cycle. So I'm putting these in my LG WM3900, aka the best washing machine out there. This is the #1 rated washer on Consumer Reports, and everything fits easily in one load here. So this has 4.5 cubic feet of space, which is huge. I run these on a cold, delicate cycle, and they still get extremely clean because this has cold wash technology, which uses cold water and 6 motions that can clean your clothes. So this is a cycle I like to use with my delicate items. So after this load, I run my throw blankets, pillows, and Carter's favorite stuffed animal. Since it's cold and flu season, I wash these as often as I can, and this washer has a steam cleaning function for enhanced, deeper cleaning. So the steam molecules are really tiny and they're able to get in there to dissolve dirt and remove odors. And also I want to mention this washer is certified allergy and asthma friendly by the Asthma and Allergy Foundation of America. So if you are one of the millions and millions of Americans who deals with seasonal allergies, this is the washing machine you want to have. Once these are done, I move them over to the dryer, which is the DECLUTTER 3900. This dryer also has a steam function, and there's a really cool feature on here where you can do a steam refresh in just 10 minutes with turbo steam technology. So I use this for Carter stuffed animals and his favorite blanket, so I'll just pop it in here and give it a little refresh. What I absolutely love about this dryer is that it has a smart sensor, so it detects the moisture levels in your clothes automatically and adjusts the drying time. So you're not going to have the damp clothes that you have to keep rerunning, or over-dried clothes that is wasting time and energy. So I am telling you guys, these LG appliances are incredible. They're game changers. I'm going to put the links to everything I talked about down in the description box to check out for more information. Now, once all of the cushions are washed and dried, I have my handy assistant Ryan put them back on because, you know, we got to put those strong arms to work. It's not that easy to put the cushion covers back on. I don't enjoy it. I have to say, it is so nice to have a fresh, clean couch. It's like brand new. All of the stains came out. It looks so good, just like the day I got it 6 years ago. Next project I wanted to work on is a little refresh of Carter's Playroom. It's looking a little cluttered in here. So the first thing I did here, I had my assistant Ryan here back, is I got a cozy plush rug for in here. I love this one. It's like the silver metallic look to it. It was really affordable too, so this was a good score. So now when we're sitting here playing with Carter on the floor, it's gonna be more cozy for us. Now, every season, at least, I like to go through Carter's toys and do a declutter here, and I declutter it in a couple ways. There are things that are either missing pieces, ruined, destroyed, those get thrown away. Then we have the items that I'm gonna just tuck away in the garage and bring back at a later time, and it's gonna be like a brand new toy for him. Every month or so, I bring out a bin from the garage that's tucked back there, and he doesn't remember. They're like brand new toys, so that's another tip. This dresser we've been meaning to move upstairs for months now, but it's so heavy. So for now, it's just a magnet for clutter. And then Carter's little stuffed animal collection. You guys, he loves his stuffies now, finally. Then I'm going through all of his kitchen supplies, doing a little mini kitchen organization and declutter. He doesn't really use this all that much. This is an IKEA kitchen, but I'm hoping one day he'll start using it again. It doesn't take up too much space, so we're gonna keep it in here for now. And this is our new refreshed, decluttered playroom. And then last finishing touch, I got a cozier beanbag with a faux fur cover on it. So this is my perch. This is where I'm gonna be sitting while I play with Carter. I'm going to be nice and comfortable on my little beanbag throne over here. So now the playroom just looks so much nicer and less cluttered, and I'm so glad I did it because now I'm happy every time I look over here. This next project, oh, you guys, Carter's closet has become a disaster zone. He's grown out of almost everything, so I needed to go through everything in this closet and just totally redo it from scratch because it was a hot mess, as you can see. I mean, how does it get this bad? I don't even know. So first step in my decluttering and reorganization here is I'm just removing everything from the closet. I'm kind of going shelf by shelf here so I don't get totally overwhelmed. Oh my gosh, so this is Carter's first thing I ever bought for him, a little jacket, so I can't get rid of that. To start my decluttering process, I always pick something nice to listen to. I'm listening to an audiobook about how Netflix got started. It's really interesting. So I'm sorting things out into things I'm going to donate and things I'm going to keep just in case in the future if I have another baby who's a boy, I'm just going to keep it just in case. So he turns 3 on January 8th, and now he has grown out of almost everything in his closet. He's the next size up. He's 3T now. He's growing, he's getting bigger, and I have to say, while I'm sitting here going through his stuff, it's making me sad and nostalgic that he's growing so fast. He has the sweetest personality now. I need to show more of him on videos because he is just everything. I'm obsessed with him. I could not love that child more. Now I'm moving on to his tops. So how I sort them here is one bin has his long sleeve tops and one bin has his short sleeve tops. And what you'll see at the end here is I have barely anything for him right now that fits. I need to pick up more stuff for him, especially long sleeve because it's cold now and he has barely anything. Now we are moving on to the bottoms. You can see here, we do have plenty of pants for him that fit, so that's a good thing. And then his shorts, we have jackets, special occasion clothing items. And now we are putting the bins back. And I do like this bin system. Surprisingly, Carter does not pull these down ever. And that clear bin on the bottom is clothes that I had set aside that I want to keep. And I want to have it empty here so I can continue to add to it as he grows out of things. So now this is a dramatic transformation. It looks so much better in here. I can look over here and not be stressed out now. So we have his long sleeve shirts, his short sleeve shirts here, his pants, and shorts. And then on the right are things that are too big for him still, some extra storage on top, and that is it. We have a nice refreshed closet. So these are the 2 bags of clothing items I'm going to donate, and I would like to donate them to one of you out there if you have a toddler son. This is mostly size 18 months and 2T. So let me know in the comments if you want me to send you a bag of clothes, and I'll just pick somebody at random next week. I'll put the details in the description box. And last project I needed to tackle was my closet. So all of the stuff on the ground is actually clean. I just need to sort through it. And I think I'm going to start going more towards a hanging system. Like all of my favorite things I want hung up so I can see them. I was actually thinking about redoing my closet with the PAX organization system from IKEA. But now I'm like, do I really want to spend, a couple $1,000s when the system works fine? So everything that is my favorite, we're going to hang up. So I have my hanger. All my extra hangers are just right here. What time of day do you think it is while I'm filming this right now? Put your guesses in the comments. Every season I have a new uniform. I basically just wear a version of the same outfit every single day. My new one are sweaters with leggings, but not crop sweaters. Last year we did the crop sweaters. I'm kind of over that. So we're doing the full length sweaters. These are my favorite. They're like $15 from Forever 21. And pro tip, I have mentioned this before, but it's a huge tip, okay? Keep an extra laundry basket or bag in your closet. As you try things on, wear them, and don't love them, put them in the donation basket so you're constantly decluttering as you go. Other favorite sweater, this heart one. I have it in 2 colors from Amazon herself. Does anyone else like this? When you find something you like, you just buy it in every color and call it a day. As I go through my clothing items, it just makes me realize how few things that I really love. I have so much stuff that I never wear, I don't gravitate towards. So for 2020, one of my goals is to just buy things and wear things that I really love and just purge the rest. So now here are all of my favorite sweaters, easy to see, and then these are my cardigans and jackets. So those are my projects I'm going to share with you guys today for my new year decluttering and organization. But I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this. It gave you some good motivation for decluttering, reorganizing, cleaning your own house in the new year. This is the best time. Motivation is high. I have so many more videos coming to help get you guys motivated. So look out for them. Make sure you're subscribed, and I will see you soon with a new video.